Hey everyone, welcome to Gaming Explained. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn off sound on Shadow Fight 2. So let's get started. First, launch the Shadow Fight 2 game. Tap on the menu option from the top left corner of the display. Tap on the settings option. Once you are in the settings, look for the sound option. You will see a speaker icon that indicates whether the sound is currently on or off. Finally, tap on the speaker icon to turn off the sound. The icon should change to indicate that the sound is now off. And this is how you can turn off sound on Shadow Fight 2. Thank you for watching Gaming Explained. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.